Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing the Spring Market collection. This is for my February No Paper Left Behind challenge. And as always, I still have the Use Your Scrap Stash series, so I'm going to combine them together. Anyway, if some of you guys know, I'm helping with a baby shower for my friend Sheila. And we are having a baby shower in March, so yes, this is what we're gonna be using. I'm gonna do a dessert table and some decorations that is for a little baby girl, and her name is Amelia, and this is what we're gonna be using. So I just want to share with you some of the embellishments that's left behind that I didn't use for my previous video. So this, I made a box. I just used like 110 like the basil cardstock that you get from Joann's. I just used that, and then I covered it with the paper collection. So I just made that. I made this double to make it extra sturdy, and then this is what we have. So I wanted to make this because I wanted a place where I can store my embellishments. So let me just show you what we have for our embellishments. So let's start with this one. So this one is simply a 3x4 album, and I just made a cover for it. And then this one is a pocket. So this is an accordion style album, and you can put a lot of pictures in here. So the front part is documented with a rosette and a fussy cut die cut. And this one I got from the 6x6, some cut aparts that I thought could be used as a decorative element inside after you put your photos. Just lots of cuteness. And then paper clip, and it's still very blank because I just wanted to keep it simple and pretty much flat because this is already way too thick. And then this is gonna go inside here, which is a die from AccuCut, and then it fits perfectly, as you can see. At the end of this video, we'll just decorate this very simply, and then we'll go from there. So you open it up like this, and then you put your mini album there. So we're gonna decorate that later. And then here's a medallion, a rosette medallion. I hope my lighting isn't too bad. So just used these strips, a rosette, and then this. I used a lot of the elements that I fussy cut, and then some Nuvo drops. Let me put all this aside. So I'm gonna put that there. Very simple hexagon and butterfly punch, and this is 2 layers of the butterfly punch. Super simple. Paper clip, and then a stamped sentiment. This is just a sticker that I turn into, I put it on a scrap piece of paper. Some cute banners. Lots of stuff you can use with your scraps. I'm in love with this bow punch. This is a bag topper. So you just put your goodies in there, and then that's it. cute bag topper. So we have that. I made a couple bag toppers. Here's another paper clip using scrap pieces of paper. So I just layered them all. This one is another one. Okay, here's another layered rosette. I did a lot of the hexagons because I do by volume, and this one is like the negative space from a punched heart, so I decided I just put a sentiment and call it good. Maybe I can use that for something. Here's another. Crafting is a work of heart. Here's another bag topper. That would be cute for like racks. Here's another one, laughter. I like fussy cutting. I have time to fussy cut because when I get to work, I'm in the parking lot. This is what I do while waiting for my time to get inside. So this is how I relax. I fussy cut images that I'm from the paper collection that I'm playing with currently. Here's one that I put stitching on and a butterfly stamp. So cute, very dimensional. Wouldn't that be sweet to give away? And of course, my favorite coffee cup. I love this investment. I think it's a great investment. This is just a butterfly that I put like foam tape. I don't know what to do with it yet. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So this one is just a layered heart that's inspired by Maggie Holmes. Here's another right there. Another bag topper. Cute, right? This is just using... I went to the Dollar Tree and I found some stickers. So here's using the stickers from there and just stitched layered paper. I don't like it very much, but I kept it anyways. Here's another one with a sticker from the Dollar Tree. So this one is like an envelope. I used my We Are Memory Keepers, you know, envelope die or envelope maker. I put that, and then I put a little bit of pom-pommy trim, and then these are the cut apart pieces from the collection, and some of them I sewed on. I just don't know what to do with them yet. So this party is a perfect opportunity so that I can use up my scrap stash. So we'll see what we're gonna do with it. My friend Sheila gave me creative license to do whatever I want, so that's good. Coffee cup, some cute bows. So the paper is so beautiful. I just used it to guide me on what I'm gonna do next. I looked at my dies, punches, and then started fussy cutting them. Wouldn't that be cute for a planner? So simple. Here's just a paper cluster. A heart. I'm sorry about my lighting. I don't know what's going on. But it's 12 noon. And that's why I think the lighting is not that great. Maybe this is the front. This is just another layered butterfly that I haven't done anything with. I just wanted to share these just in case. Just a hexagon. Just in case I could inspire somebody to use their scrap stash today. I'm getting ready to go to work, so I just wanted to do this video real quick. And don't forget, guys, I've put a link on the ladies down below who are joining the No Paper Left Behind challenge. Give them some love, support them as well. Look how cute. Lots and lots of detail on this one. So it's very dimensional. So we're all trying to use our scrap stash. And if you'd like to join, please send a message to Daniela Hayes. She's in my link down below. So she can add you to the link. Isn't this super sweet and simple? And then I just have some small banners with layered goodness. See, there's 5 of them from just scraps. Yeah, I think that's all I have. I think that's all we have for today. Anyway, I hope that inspires you guys. I'm going to be using this for the party to decorate some stuff, like the goodie bags. Anyways, I hope that inspires you. And let's decorate this before we go. I told you we're going to decorate this. Let's see what we have. What do we use? Would this be a cute one? Let's see. I got this die from AccuCut. Would this be? Would that be cute? I don't want to cover things up. No. No, it has to be... No, that's too big. What do you guys think? Is this too much? I think this is super cute, but it needs something more. Maybe that. Yep, let's do that. I switched my glue gun on so we can... This would be cute also for like a shaker, wouldn't it? So simple. Just a negative space of something that you used. That's what I like about a glue gun, is it just works so quickly. And then we'll put this at the webs. Spider webs. I think we need some dimension. This is what I use for dimension. The double-sided tape that I get from my local Dollar Tree. And then put some love in there. I think this is simple and good to go. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.